NSF table. First off, the overall dimensions from left to right, 70.5 inches. The depth, 34 inches. And a height of 45.5 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, we have 34.5 inches tall. Coming to the left and right side, included will be 15 pants for each, a total of 30 pants that will be included. The measurements for each pan will include 6 1/4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth, and 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the 30 pans that will be included. Measurements for the cutting board, we have 70 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom, we have our and right swing doors, middle, left swing doors, and beneath is the refrigerator containing a shelf for each section. The measurements for each shelf will include 21.5 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the shelf in the left, middle, and right section. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 65.5 inches in length, 11 inches in depth, by 24 inches in height. Located on the left will be the ETL certification, and in the right column is a thermometer that will be included. Coming to the back will be the temperature control along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.